And the life of the trailer, love lingered on to insect. And if our potatoes were so wrong, what should we do with corn? Or am I just a trailer in a trailer park? Why are we stuck in welfare court, fearing learning support? One that does not provide tampons. And I don't care what they say, if what we need is to pay, then take up the pace and run until your tractor falls to pieces. Till your tractor falls to pieces. Find in me room to breathe. Simple things like growing weeds. Life has gone this way. We are poor this way. Still in the life of the trailer, we all moved along. Another sister evolved in gestation. And fearing for her life, she went down aisle 5. But there were no more tampons in aisle 6. So she put her hands on the box and feared for no more clocks, leaving me in absolute horror. I put my hands on my brother's thinking the last kiss and sang some tune that wet until your tractor falls to pieces. Till your tractor falls to pieces. Find in me room to bleed. Sinful things like growing weeds. Life has gone this way. We are poor this way. And I would if I could destroy your cod. Yes, I would. Destroy your cod, because we're starving in Louisiana until we make some jambalaya. So find in me room to bleed. Anything, just don't pee. She swore she heard the voice of Dolly telling her it was wrong to eat Polly, our parrot. One more thing, it looked like me when I made it bleed. Rest in peace until the tractor comes to find us.